Ever notice something? Your baby can be quiet and you think they're happy, but quiet isn't the same thing as happy. There's actually a huge difference, and honestly, most parents don't even realize it. A quiet baby just means they're not crying. But a happy baby? That's when something inside them actually lights up. And I'm not talking about their eyes, I'm talking about their brain, actually glowing. And that glow doesn't come from toys, doesn't come from screens. It comes from things so simple that you're probably already doing some of them, just maybe not enough. 5 things. That's it. And if you do these 5 things every day, your baby's brain literally changes at the chemical level. Numbers 3 and 5, those are the game changers. Look, I know, we all know. We want our babies happy, right? So we buy toys, we show videos. We say yes to everything. But here's the thing that neuroscience is telling us, and this is wild. Your baby's real happiness isn't in any of that stuff. It's nowhere near the toy box. It's somewhere completely different, and it's right next to you. Before we go further, comment down below. Write your baby's name. Tell us when during the day they seem the most content. I actually want to know. Number 1 is simple. Physical touch. When's the last time you picked up your baby? Just because? Not because they were crying. Not because you needed to put them to bed. Just because you wanted to hold them. If you can't remember, this is for you. Scientists at the University of Miami found something. When a baby gets gentle touch, just soft contact, their brain releases oxytocin. That's the safety hormone. It literally tells them you're safe, you're loved, the world is okay. But here's what's crazy. That feeling doesn't just disappear. Your baby's brain remembers it. It holds on to that warmth. And whenever things get scary later, that memory brings them back to safe. Your lap isn't just a place, it's your baby's actual home. The more they're there, the more their brain wires itself for happiness. But wait till you hear number 2. Number 2 is eye contact and smiling. Try this today. Sit in front of your baby, phone goes away, everything goes away. Just look at them, look into their eyes, and smile. That's literally it. Watch what happens. They're going to lean toward you. Their whole face lights up. They might smile back. This isn't random. Harvard Medical School studied this. When you make eye contact with your baby and you smile, their brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is happiness. It's the same chemical you feel when something good happens to you. Your smile gives that to your baby. You become their happiness, literally at a chemical level. And there's more. Every time you do this, you're building their social brain. You're creating the foundation for friendships, for how they'll connect with people their whole life. One smile, one look, that's building all of that. If this is new information like the video, subscribe. We break down your baby's brain using science. Let's keep going. Number 3 is talking. Your baby can't answer you, but they're listening. Every word, every tone, every pause. And they're not just hearing it, they're storing it. MIT's Language Acquisition Lab found this. Babies whose parents talk to them more, their language brain develops faster, way faster. But it's not just about words. When you talk to your baby, you're telling them something. You're saying, you exist, you matter, you're important. That message becomes who they are. Whether they grow up confident or scared, secure or lost, it starts right here, with your voice. So talk to them. While you're cooking, tell them what you're making. While you're bathing them, sing. Don't worry about being good at singing. Just do it. Take them outside and say, that's a tree. See? Sky. That's wind. They might not understand words yet, but their brain feels it, and it's happy. Number 4 is free play. This one might surprise you because you basically do nothing. We're always in there, right? Controlling. Do this. Don't do that. Play this way. But when a baby plays on their own, something happens. Real neurological stuff. The University of Colorado studied this. When babies play without instructions, their prefrontal cortex, the creativity part, the problem-solving part, it lights up. And while it's working, the brain releases dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine and serotonin. Happiness and calm at the same time. So when your baby's playing and you're just there watching, that's when the magic happens. Let them play. Let them fall. Let them get back up. You stay close. But don't take over. That's their real happiness happening. Number 5 is the big one. Emotional safety. Listen because this matters more than everything else. You can give your baby everything, good food, good toys, all the care. But if one thing is missing, the rest means nothing. And that thing is emotional safety. Your baby needs to know when I'm scared, you're here. When I cry, you listen. When I try something and fail, you don't judge. When I mess up, you don't leave. Stanford University did a huge study. They found the babies who grew up feeling safe, the ones who knew their parents would stay calm and be there, their brains actually had less stress chemical and more happiness chemicals, literally more serotonin, more oxytocin. They were biologically happier. Where does emotional safety come from? Not from parenting classes, not from techniques. From you. From you staying calm when things get hard. From you being the same person every day that your baby can count on. From you actually being present. Your baby's going to be difficult. They're going to cry. They're going to test you again and again. But even then, if you stay, if you don't leave, if you keep showing up, their brain learns something deep. It learns, I'm safe. The world isn't going to hurt me. I'm going to be okay. That's real happiness. That's everything. No toy gives that. No screen gives that. Only you can. So comment. Tell us which of these 5 makes your baby happiest. Keep watching.